we are going to interlock our hands at the base of our neck, that is the nape area, where our shoulder begins and our neck ends. And we are going to push our head forward. Please do not overarch your back. Stay comfortable over here. Inhale. And take your head down, chin towards your chest. Yes. Stay here. Very gently release. And release your arms. Next one is, we are going to bring our palm to the sides of our head and we are going to do resistance over here. So you are resisting your head to come to the center. You are pressing the head with your palm as if your head is moving towards that side, but your shoulder and your neck is resisting it to go. This is a deep stretch to release the muscles on your shoulder bones. And release. Do it on the other side. Bring your palm outside your forehead and very gently press it. And release. Now this is my favorite, which is an immediate cure for any stress on your shoulders, especially over here. And this is called the Miracle Dupatta Stretch. Take any dupatta or the string, the white string, which I have given to all of you. What you are going to do is, you are going to wear the dupatta just like a jacket around your underarms and take the extra fabric back just like a sari and bring this fabric inside this fold. And now you are going to pull this. Pull it. Pull it with your arms. Pull. Usually when we have no help or nobody around to help us with our shoulder stretches, this really works beautifully. And stay here. Feel the goodness of this stretch. Anybody can do this in a very simple fashion. Your children, your husband, your family members. And see how the shoulder gets released and relieved. And release. Do it for a couple of times, 2-3 times. Once again, rotate the shoulder blades and pull it. Once again, I am repeating, please do not overarch your back like this. Let your head, neck and spine be in one line. Stack it over one another, sitting right over your buttocks. That is how our body is made. That is how it is manufactured. And if something moves in that posture, that is where something goes wrong. And that's why we get all the pain. So let your head, neck and spine be stacked in this fashion. Let it be over each other. Next one is, this is especially for the people who go to the gym and do hardcore weights and a lot of push-ups and planks. And sportsmen, even we homemakers do a lot of that hard work. kneading the dough, picking up stuff, lot of work in the kitchen, and usually our arm is really tired and fatigued, and this really releases your tricep and bicep muscles. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a loop with the string. If you don't have this kind of string, you can tie a dupatta this way, and you're going to bring it around your biceps. This is slightly loose, I need to tighten it more. This has to be shoulder distance apart. Now bring your arms straight, pull up your arms into your shoulder socket and try to push the string away, apart. Try to push it and stay here. Oh wow, I feel great. I did a good 2 hours power yoga workout today, and I think I really needed it. Thank you guys. You guys encouraged me to make this video. I have been getting a lot of queries. All my class students have been asking me to tell them stretches for their neck, shoulder, as they shoulder a lot of burden on their shoulders. And let go. Let go. We are going to do this on the back of our arms also. And by the way guys, this video is being shot by my son Anish, my cameraman. So please do give him a round of applause for being so patient with me. You're going to put it around your wrist. You can have it around your forearm. And I need some help. Let me try. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to bring the arms close to our buttocks, rotate our shoulder blades and lift our arms up. Lift it. Your palms are facing each other. Please do not bring your head forward. Let your chin be tucked in. Let your shoulder blades squeeze together. Keep on breathing over here. Now those who can bend forward, please fold forward from here. Inhale and exhale. Fold forward into a tabletop position. Do not round your back like this. Tabletop position, look towards the floor, knees are slightly bent. Inhale once again and exhale. And come out. Wow, I think I really needed it. So guys, these are the deep stretches for your arms, neck and shoulder. And one last one. Against the wall. Bring your feet slightly away from the wall, and you're going to touch your entire spine. Glue it. Inhale here, exhale. Completely glue your spine, your shoulder blades. I know you have an slight arch on your back which will not come onto the wall, so that's fine. But your shoulder, upper shoulder should be touching the wall. Now you are going to make a fist out of your hands and press your elbows against the wall and stay here. Please do not let your elbows come out. Let them be tucked in and keep on breathing and close your eyes. Simply relish the goodness of this practice. It's really beautiful, and believe me, you're going to feel so light and comfortable, I can't tell you. Your mind is directly connected to your neck and your shoulder. And there are days when we actually have a lot of pain over there. We are actually so stressed out. We are whole day on the computers, we are driving around, we are working so much. But health is foremost, and you need to focus on your body. So guys, hope I have been able to solve your issues, your problems with your neck and shoulder. Please do these practices at home. You don't have to do everything all together. You can pick up what you like to do whenever, whatever you can remember. Store this video, watch it whenever you can, and just do the practices. Believe me, it works really, really miraculously. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed it.